Hi, my name is Cai Xin, and this is my wife Magdalene, and we both live in this house with our newborn daughter.
So this house is a 4-bedroom project in Towner Crest. We chose this place because it's near our parents and it's also very near the MRT and food centres.
So we knew our IDs, Max and Nicholas, since junior college, so we've actually known them for quite some time. So we hang out quite often, so I think when I hear them talk about their projects, it kind of lets me feel like they know what they're doing, and I've seen a bit of their portfolio here and there. And it kind of just made me feel like they were the right choice for us. Even though they encouraged us, quite insistent like, oh hey, you guys should just go and look at other quotes, just so you know what's in the market. I think we kind of just went full trust with them, and it's something that we didn't regret because we didn't even look at other quotes at the end of the day. The renovation cost us about 90k. In terms of the work, the time taken, I would say it's actually a bit longer, but not because of them, it's because we actually just delayed a lot on our end.
Because we're handling the newborn.
Yeah, and we also weren't really in a rush to move in, but I would say in terms of scheduling and the actual work done, it took about 2 months, even during the busy periods over Chinese New Year and stuff like that. So I would say it's actually pretty quick.
It was an open concept kitchen and we decided to make it closed concept because we cook a lot. It's a saloon door, no handle, so it's really very easy for us to access in and out with 2 glass so you can see what's happening inside and what's happening outside of the kitchen.
We also chose to have glass bricks for the kitchen because I spent a lot of time in the kitchen and I felt that it could be a bit dark and there's not much natural light, so I think what our ID suggested us, hey, you can try the glass brick, and I think that was something that turned out really well for us.
So when you enter the foyer, we do have a settee area where you can sit and wear your shoes.
What was suggested to us was, hey, you guys can kind of do a counter space and then have a little settee there for you to put your shoes and for you to sit down. And that really worked out because, first thing you do when you want to come home is you want to put stuff, you put your keys on the counter. So that really became a counter for us.
And then our living room and a kitchen on the right side, and on the right of the living room is our dining room, and then our baby's room, a master bedroom, and a common toilet, as well as the bomb shelter.
So we actually initially just wanted to do a normal chandelier. I think Max and Nicholas, they just came to us one day and they were actually quite excited like, hey, guys, can we try this concept because I think it'll suit your apartment quite well, because we do have an open dining concept, because we tore down the walls of one room so that the living room and dining room it's kind of it's an open space.
Because we like to host friends, so we decided like we need a bigger dining table and then more chairs to fit everyone.
I did see them, they were quite excited about it, and they showed us some pictures and said, why not? It looks kind of nice, and actually did turn out really well. The light, temperature and the colors can all be altered. So when we're working in the day and I want more light, I can just turn it on, it's a bit brighter. At night if I'm winding down, or I just want to do some light reading or some light work, I can always turn it down to a warm color, which I do feel it's a lot better for my eyes. So our first reaction to seeing this place is it's not going to be the cliche like, oh, it's so nice. And also because we do kind of pop by as it was going, as it's setting up. And we do get pictures and regular updates from ID. It's more of actually, seeing it up close. The workmanship and the details were actually something that we appreciated, and I felt like it's really good. So that was actually what struck me when we came in to see it in person.
To me, home is a place where I want to go back to every day to spend time with my husband and daughter. A place where I can play, I can teach my daughter, cook food for her, and for my husband to cook for us as well, and grow together.